In this video help, we're going to go from the Trip Accommodations Manager to the list view for the trip accommodations. So click that and then come down and click on the list view. In the list view, you're going to see individual reservations for the accommodations listed for the actual reservation number, the check-in date, the check-in time, the nightly rate, the number of nights stayed, and the depart date. And you'll notice down at the bottom, it showed the calculators for the sum of all the records within this list view. So in this case, for 2 days at $38, it was $76. And as you go through the different listings, you'll see as you add each one of the accommodations, it'll summarize the value of those particular accommodations for that period. As we just did on the prior screen, if you use the find, where you say start find mode, you can do a date range and pick a date range for the items that you want to show on this report. So if I wanted to say, for example, I was on a 15-day travel and I wanted everything that was shown for reservations for the 15-day travel, then I would do it by using the date range for the start date, greater than or equal to, and the less than or equal to for the date at the end of the travel. And that will only present those records that you want to view. Now, as I pointed out earlier, when you get done looking at those particular records, you always want to click on the Show All Records to return all the records to the current view. If you want to print it, you can leave them there and then go back and use the Show All Records to return all the records. But it'll kind of throw you for a loop. If you come to the records, you'll notice it'll look like something damaged the database and they're missing. Well, they're not. It's just that you have to click on the Show All Records in order to show to bring those records back again. You can also make sure that when you look at it, you can do the Show Hide menus and see if all the current records and what records are in selection. By clicking it, you'll say, for example, say there were 30 records where the 1 is here. You'll see that there is 1 or 2 or 5 or 10 are shown in the selection, which is this, and there would be 30. If you wanted to see all the records, you can click this, and what it would do is it would show you the current found set and change that to all the records by clicking Show All the Records. Once you click on All Records, this will turn gray instead of green, and that would be where you had all the records returned. Now, if you have any questions, you can always get in contact with me by going through the support site, and that way you'll get your questions answered. Thank you.